Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel and to another video of me sharing how to start your cleaning business. And if you already haven't, before I go on, if you already haven't, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if there's any other videos you guys want to see from me, please let me know. I'm going to be sharing videos on what products you can use in the for your shower screens, what product to use to clean the oven, like best products I'll be sharing with you guys, and some tips and tricks on what to use and how to really get like a dirty area clean. So today let me share with you guys some of the products that I absolutely love, and they cut my cleaning time in half because they're just great products, and I find like these are probably the best ones I've used. You really have to have these if you are wanting to have like a really good cleaning business. Like try and not go for the cheaper products because they don't work at all. So try and go for products that are a little bit more expensive, but at least they work. Like they work really well. So most of my products are all from the same company because I haven't ventured out to like try different ones, but for now I will show you guys. And honestly, you do not need too many cleaning products for you to like get everything that you need to do. So first product is, I absolutely love these. So all my products are from this guy. They call PLS gel. So this is a one-shot thick cleaner. This is so good for cleaning toilet bowls, but you can also use this to clean shower screen. Honestly, best product you can use to remove any sort of dirt off shower screen. Highly recommend it. You can get these if you're in Australia from Bunnings. I'm not sure where, in New Zealand I think you can get it from Bunnings. I'm not sure where what else, but it's pretty much like a ready to use product. It's a you use it for the toilet, cleans toilets really well, keeps it nice and fresh as well. Absolutely great product. Love it. Next product that I use is again from the same company, but this is it's like a floor cleaner. So that's what it is there. Versadet, I think that's what it's called. This is just a great cleaner, like floor cleaner. It works on any kind of floor, whether it's tile, glossy tile, like timber, whatever. It leaves the floors nice and shining, and honestly it gets rid of everything. All I do is I put this in hot water and it will remove like even greasy stuff from the kitchen, from it. Best product you could possibly add to your cleaning stuff. You really need a really good cleaner with that will really be like really good to use for all surface floors. That's what you use. This is the product that I used to use before, and it was great, but I didn't find it like obviously works as great as the other one. And because this one's obviously is from a cheaper brand, is not the same, but it leaves the floors smelling really good. That's the only thing I kind of liked about these, but I don't use these ones anymore. That floor cleaner is honestly one of the best. And then again, for another floor like tile cleaner, you can also get something like these. This is just a great product for cleaning tiles and grout. Honestly, so good. Gets rid of everything. You put it on, scrub it, leave it for a little bit, next thing you know it's back to like, it just gets rid of literally everything that's on the floor. Especially if you're doing new builds, sometimes the tiling on the floors can be like quite still like quite not the best. So this product really makes a difference on how it gets rid of all the like the chemical or like any like stuff from the build, I guess, like from building. Next thing that I love using, you need to add to your list, is a really good degreaser. Oh, best degreaser. Love it. You need to add it because with the degreaser you can also use it in the kitchen. Obviously it cleans everything so nice and fast. You spray it on, quickly wipe and it's all good. You can also use it in the shower, you can use it in the bathroom, but most of the time I use the degreaser as a multi-purpose cleaning product. But I try and stick to not using it like in a bathroom as much, but I use it when I'm wiping down any surface, especially the kitchen, especially when you're doing like end of lease where you also have to clean like the walls. Works perfect on the wall. Spray a little bit, leave it, next thing you know, all that grease, any build up, like works really well. It also works really well in the shower because obviously the body oil from your body can like build up in there, and the degreaser works really well in there. So if you can get one of that, definitely you will be grateful because yeah, it's so good. Again, I'll do a video of how to use these products individually in different places, so that way you guys know what product to use where. And that last product that you need that I don't really use as much is you can use like some bleach on some tiles or bathtubs or especially in the shower. If they're really bad, or even the floor, sometimes you can use a bit of bleach to like bleach it up, especially some in the kitchen. Sometimes if you've gone to some really bad houses, you really need a little bit of bleach to like get all that dirt off the floor. So I found a bit of bleach. I don't use it as much because the last thing you want to do is use it on the wrong kind of floor and then it will bleach the floor and stain it, and you don't want to do that. Like, so I make sure I only using it, and I always try and test it first on a little surface before I go in and start using it on a really big. But when it comes to like cleaning bathtubs and all that, especially some of them when they're really gross, the bleach works really well, especially in the shower section of the house. The bleach I found works really well, but I try and not use it as much because yeah, I don't want to use it on the wrong area and next thing you know, it goes downward. So those are some of the cleaning. Oh, then the other thing that I use a lot is Jif. I'll show you. Oh, that's clean. So the other thing I use a lot is not really the pink stuff, but I use like Jif. Jif is obviously very similar to these, or Gumption, which is also similar to the pink stuff. It's really good for when you're scrubbing like sometimes surfaces in the shower. I find in the shower works, or there's like the sink area works really well when you're cleaning sink, makes the sink nice and shiny. And then the other product that you need is obviously Windex, or also vinegar. I use vinegar with a bit of water and soap and dilute that. That works so well on shower screen. Absolutely amazing, nice and natural. If you don't want to use any chemical product, definitely you can use vinegar, a little bit of soap, add soap in there and then dilute it with water, and it works really well in cleaning shower screen. And you just get like a really nice, very, very fine steel wool and use that to scrub the shower screen, especially if it has quite a lot of buildup. It will be so good, and you will come to like, I guess, like know what products work really well when you're using them if you don't want to try like chemical product. But yeah, the only non-chemical product I use is that, because yeah, again with the vinegar you don't want to be using it on tile because it can be really bad. So I only use it like on shower screen. It leaves the shower screen amazing, and also when someone like the client showers afterwards, the shower screen still stay really well until the next time you go, especially if you have like a fortnightly clean client. I always like the fact that when you use vinegar to like as a final touch, it leaves the shower screen still nice and clean, so when you get there it's not too bad. But anyway, those are some of the cleaning products that I use and the chemical that I use in my business. I try and stick to only these ones because those are the ones that I've tested and tried and I know they work really well. So like I said, it takes me a while to try different ones, but yeah, these are probably the main one that I use. Anyway guys, that is the video I have for today. Next time I will try and share with you guys the best microfiber cloth and that kind of stuff with you guys. But anyway, until then, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.